In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Notion. While Notion is powerful for organizing notes and projects, it doesn't currently offer a built-in center alignment option for regular text blocks. Don't worry, there's a quick practical workaround you can use to visually center a line of text or a heading, and I'll walk you through it step by step so it looks clean and intentional. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the page where you want the centered text to appear. Click into the block where you'll type your line. This could be a title, a short note, or a call-out line. Type your text as you normally would, then place your cursor at the very beginning of that line. Here's the key. Use the spacebar to push the text to the right until it appears centered within the page's content area. Tap the spacebar gradually and watch the left and right margins as your guide. Since Notion doesn't lock the text to the center, you're creating a visual balance by adding leading spaces. Take your time with this part. 2 or 3 extra taps can make a big difference in how centered it looks. A couple of tips to keep it neat. Click outside the block to exit editing mode and take a quick look. Text can appear slightly off while the cursor is active, and it's easier to judge alignment when the block isn't selected. If you change the text later, like adding or removing words, you may need to fine-tune the spacing again. Also, be aware that the appearance can shift depending on screen size or window width. So if someone views the page on a smaller display or mobile device, the centering may look a bit different. If that happens, just revisit the line and adjust the spaces to taste. Remember that this is a visual workaround. Those leading spaces are real characters, so if you copy and paste the line elsewhere, the spaces will come along with it. If you ever want to remove the centering, simply delete the spaces at the beginning of the line and your text will snap back to the left. And that's it. Open your page, type your line, then use the spacebar to nudge it into the center until it looks balanced. It's simple, quick, and effective for headlines, short statements, or section breaks when you want a little extra emphasis. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.